All right, let's go find something fun and fresh to give the marms. Something new and fun and fresh. New things for the marms. We got these ages ago, and we've never introduced them. Appa and Momo have never met their young bald father. I thought there was another one. Maybe I'm wrong. There's also this Point Crow plushie that they could pee on. Alternatively, chicken. Oh, this makes a lot of sense. Should we do these two? What if they don't care? Is this not interesting enough? Is this not interactive enough? We can give them a shot, I suppose. Marm time. Okay, be actually serious. How do you feel about the phone? It's nice sometimes. Motion sick. When walking, not great, not bad. Maybe it's just I prefer it actually. Maybe it's just like a occasion thing. Need a gimbal? Oh, I don't want to carry a gimbal. It's a lot of work. Rip Wuhito's job. Bro, Wuhito does not want that to be his job, if you haven't noticed. Hey, bud. I have something for you. Come here. Marms. Appa, over here. Can you come this way? Momo. This is Psyduck. And this is your dad. Oh. Oh. Psyduck. Aang. No, no! How about you check those out? Why do you want the phone so bad? He's so cute. Wait, rare? You really don't care about that at all? You want to play Pocket Frogs? Look, you can move the frog. No Pocket Frogs for you! Okay guys, they hate it. Oh my god. I'm not giving it back to you. Don't grab the cord. I need that. Why do you look like you're gonna be nice? Are you being nice right now? I can't freaking tell. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Okay, he's nice. Okay, he's being nice. Okay. Okay. This is nice. No, this is great. I really am enjoying myself right now. This is really relaxing. Look how cool his fur is. You guys don't get to see that very often. He's got a bunch of bands to his fur. Thank you. That was nice. I enjoyed that. Fur. Rare. He's peeing on his dad. Might I remind you guys, these are absolutely not pets if you can't tell by the way I'm interacting with this thing. The reason we have these is because they were rescued from the pet trade. Somebody bought them as pets in Austin thinking they could have them as a pet. Turns out They didn't know how to take care of them, so they had a bunch of medical issues. Appa had almost no use of his back legs when we first got him. They bite. They're seed dispersers, so they'll swing from the raptors of your house and poop everywhere, which you don't want in your house. He's only interested in the tag, by the way. Great. Classic. It's really unfair for them to be inside a house. They really need outside space. And it was really terrible for their welfare. So these are absolutely not pets. The only reason that I pet him there is because it looked like he wanted me to, because of the way that he kind of like plopped down there. But don't get it twisted. We'll interact with our animals that way at Alveus if it's something that they ask for, in a sense, you know, and something that they enjoy. But generally speaking, nothing like your dog. Nothing like your dog. Like, if I reached out to touch him right now, he would bite me. I'm not going to demonstrate. He really likes the tag. What kind of teeth do they have? Really small and really sharp. Psyduck. You like him? Yay, Momo. Appa, stop. Psyduck. Peeing on Psyduck. Okay. Kind of mean. Peeing on your dad. Also mean. That's another reason why you don't want a monkey as a pet. That's another reason why you don't want a monkey as a pet. Reminder. Live cams, 24/7. Look at him standing. He's still standing, better than he ever did. Looking like a little monkey. He's just a little kid. He's still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. He's still standing. Can we send over animal toys for the critters? So sometimes we have toys on our wish list. Our wish list usually gets cleaned out really fast. It's probably empty right now. But toys that we always can use for the parrots, because the parrots go through toys so fast. There's a shop, it's called Planet Pleasures. Don't ask why they named themselves that, but their name is Planet Pleasures. They make really safe parrot toys, if you'd like to send some toys for the parrots. Otherwise, puzzle feeders, we always use, we do have a lot of them though, but like dog puzzle feeders. We are stocked up on treats right now from the last P.O. box. Look how cute Appa is. Look at him. Ah! What the heck? Look at his tail. So long. He's mad. He got mad. Why'd you get mad? Because I touched your tail. That makes sense. Sorry. You want a stick? Ooh, a weapon. Would you like weapon? He hates it.